Welcome back. Now, in the same way that we added a video block to our WordPress site, we can also add in an audio block. And to do that, we're going to click this Add Block button. And then we're going to go to search for a block. And even though we see it here in the most used area, we can search for it by typing in an A and U, and you'll notice then that the audio block then becomes available. I'm going to click that link. And you'll recognize the interface. It looks just like the video interface. And we can upload an audio from our hard drive to our WordPress site. Now in this case, an audio file is typically going to be smaller than a video file, so it's quite possible that you'll be able to upload an audio to your server from your hard drive. What we're going to do is we're going to click this upload button. And we can then add in the audio to this particular block. When we have that audio block, we can write in a caption. And we can further customize our block. For example, we can have the block autoplay. We can also have the block loop, where you can choose whether or not to have your audio preloaded to your visitor's personal computer or their mobile device. We can also control how the audio player is going to interface with the rest of your content. For example, if we want to have the audio player aligned to the left and then to have the text surrounding it, we can do that. We can do the opposite by having it aligned to the right. First, what we're going to do is we're going to move it up. And then we're going to align it to the right. And then we're going to move this block down. You'll see now that our player appears inside of our text aligned to the right. So you can manipulate the position as well as the player and how it will appear inside of your WordPress site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.